Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 16.4 on Debian 12.4. The process is same all Debian versions. First open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Enter, click on download, then select Linux, then select Debian, then see here the PostgreSQL APT repository supports the current versions of Debian. So it supports Bookworm, 12.x, Bullseye, Buster, Sid. Okay. Now open terminal. Let's verify version of Debian. See, I'm on Debian Bookworm. Okay. Go to Git, Control L to clear screen. Scroll down. See, these are the commands to be run to install PostgreSQL 16. So copy these commands one by one. First it is going to see, I will keep this link in the video description. So copy this command. It is going to install curl and CS certificates. Hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. It is done. Now install pgdg, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now keys, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now we have to create the repository configuration file. So copy this entire line to this quotation, single quote, copy, paste it, hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update, hit enter. Sudo apt update. All packages are up to date. Okay. Now install the PostgreSQL. See, if you give this command, it will install the latest version. Suppose if you want to install PostgreSQL 15, you have to replace the 16 with 15. If you want 14, you have to replace this with 14. If you want to install the latest version, no need to give the version. Okay. So run the command sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you give this one, it will install the latest version from the available list. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to install 14, you have to give 14. If you want to give the 15, you have to give 15. 16, 16. Okay. So I want to install the latest version, so I'm not going to provide any version. So hit enter, type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL. Let us verify. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL service is running and it is enabled. Q to quit, Control L to clear screen. Now connect to PostgreSQL. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, this is PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL server version. So verify the version, select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 16.4. Q to quit, Control L to clear screen. Now, after connecting to PostgreSQL server, for the first step, we have to set the password for Postgres user. That is the super user /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is super user. So, set the password for this super user. Sudo alter user Postgres with provide the password with password, new password. See, we have successfully set the password. So next is, let us verify the list of the databases. /l. See, we have the 3 databases. These are the 3 default databases comes with PostgreSQL installation. Q to quit, Control L to clear screen. Let us create a database. Create database ArctoSchools. This is the name of the database. Now verify again, /l. See, new database ArctoSchools is there. Okay, and this is the owner, and these are the database settings. Q to quit. Now let us switch to this database and create table in that database. So to switch to database, you have to use \c or connect. Both are same. So connect, then provide the database. You are now connected to database ArctoSchools as user Postgres. So let us verify list of tables in this database. See, we don't have any relation. So let us create a table. Create table. We have created a table. Let us verify. See, I have one table. This is the name and this is the schema name. This is the type of object or relation and this is the owner. Okay, let us insert some data into this table. Before that, verify the data. Select star from. Give the table name. See, 0 rows. So let us insert some data into this table. Insert into table student. Insert one more row. Insert one more row. Now verify data. Select star from student. See, we have inserted 3 rows. But see here, if we give star means it retrieves all columns of the table. But if you want particular columns, just you need to give the column names like this. From student. Still, if you want only the particular column like S number, select S name from student. See, we got only the column names. Create a user. Let me create user James with password. We have successfully created a user. See, new user is there. And if you want to see the configuration files location, show config underscore file. See, this is the PostgreSQL.conf file which is having server level configuration information. If you modify any of the parameters in this configuration file, we have to restart the PostgreSQL server. Okay, then next show HBA conf file, HBA file. See, this is the HBA means host based authentication file. In this file, we will define the IP ranges or the users information to access the PostgreSQL server. Then last step is we will see how to connect to this PostgreSQL server using this newly created user. Exit, then give PSQL-u. U must be caps, then username, then -p, then provide the password. See, authentication failed because this user is not added in this HBA conf file. For this error, I have made a video. You can go through it and you can resolve it. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now we will see. Exit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL on Debian 12.7 operating system. So we can start or stop or restart by using Linux user. Not this is the Postgres user, so which don't have the permission. So sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL service is stopped. Let us verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL is inactive, which means stopped 8 seconds ago. Q to quit. Not now. Let us try to connect to PostgreSQL. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. Also, see here is the server running locally and accepting connections on the socket. Okay, so let us start it. Exit, because we can't start with Postgres user. So sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL service is active. Okay, Q to quit. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now connect to it. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are able to connect. \Q to exit. Now last step is we will see how to restart the PostgreSQL service on Debian. Sudo systemctl restart is the flag, then give the service name PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service is started 3 seconds ago. Q to quit. Ctrl L to clear screen. You can also connect to PostgreSQL by using pgadmin4 or Debian. I will make another video how to install pgadmin4 and Debian on Debian 12.7 operating system. For those two applications, you can go through the video description and install it. Then you can connect to PostgreSQL by using both the applications. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 16.4 on Debian 12 operating system. For more PostgreSQL or Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.